Hello everyone, Davlyn here with Uproar.car, your trusted advisor on all things car related, helping you save time and money while avoiding the pitfalls of the auto industry. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on our socials or click here to go to our website. Today we're going to be talking about preparing to sell your car. If you have any questions, drop them at the comments below. Let's get started. How to prepare your car for selling. That is important, and I have some good tips for you. First thing you do, you have to make an effort. You have to make an effort to get your car ready. First thing is, we know first impressions count for everything. So you want to get the potential buyer to get out, look at your car, and be impressed with it in some type of way. Now, put yourself in a buyer's shoes. I want you to think like a buyer. Would you buy your car right now? If you don't know, examine the car. Take an angle look at it, walk up close to it, walk around it, notice the scratches, the stone dents, lights out or anything. Now go ahead, grab a seat, sit inside, look around. Now, at this whole time, you should be taking notes of what you would want in a car if you were buying this car. All right? You get where I'm going with this? Now you've taken your notes. You've seen what needs to be fixed, what potentially could pass without being fixed. But the main thing is safety. So you want to make sure light bulbs work. You want to make sure that the spare tire is decent and is pumped up with air. You want to check your own tires that you have. There are great used tire shops that you can purchase before selling the car, to repair or not to repair. If you have a high-end car, some scratches and dents need to be repaired because that is the draw for high-end cars, the look of it. You're going to have to spend just a little bit more money because you're selling it for more than a domestic car. Okay, let's talk about the part of the car that will render you the most money, the engine. So what you want to check are hoses to see if you see coolant leaks, if you see oil leaks. What's most important is a clean engine. A clean engine. You can take your car to a detail shop and have them pressure wash the engine. They will know how to properly do it because you do have to cover the rotor wires, spark plug wires. So while you're getting your car detailed on the interior, you're going ahead and get that hood clean so somebody can eat off of it. Because most people know they're buying a used vehicle, but we want to make this used vehicle look like it had some type of care. So you're getting your car ready to sell, okay? Please, 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 oh baby, please, freshen up your car. And it takes more than a day. You want to start about 3 weeks or the time you're thinking about selling your car to start freshening it up with some type of freshener. Get it detailed a couple of times before you sell it, and start taking all of your personal items out. Drive around in that car like you're driving it to someone who's just bought it. You have nothing in it that's yours. Only thing you're going to give them are the keys, and you're going to walk away from it. So get it ready to sell. That will help every time. When you take time to prepare your car for selling, you get rid of it easier and you get closer to your asking price. So let's remember these 4 tips. First of all, you want to think like a buyer. Look at your car objectively to see if you would purchase your car, and then decide if you want to repair or not to repair. There are things that need to be repaired, and you know, and then there are things that can pass because, of course, this is a used car, and I get it. Third, clean under the engine. Make it look great. Make it look brand new if you can. But make it look like you've taken some type of care of your car. Now, number 4, freshen your car up. And I'm talking about from the moment you think about selling your car, freshen it up. Start getting your smell out of it. Your smell has been there for a while, so it's going to take a while for it to get out. These are my tips on how to prepare your car for selling.